The Vanguard wine cabinet, model Volnay 168, is a single temperature cabinet which is front venting, so can be used either as a freestanding cabinet or built into a kitchen unit. There are two glazed door finish options. Option 1 is the full glass door. The black frame is covered by glass, producing a glossy effect around the frame similar to the finish on a mobile phone. Note that the handle is recessed into the side of the door. Option 2 is the stainless steel glass door, which is a matching stainless steel handle to the front. Both door types are fitted with locks. The cabinet is fitted with LED lighting down each side and across the top. The cool white LED can be changed to warm white LED at the touch of a button. The cabinet is fitted with one sliding display shelf, 13 sliding horizontal shelves and one sliding base shelf to accommodate 168 bottles, each of which can be accessed immediately by sliding out the shelf. The shelves have been designed to maximise bottle capacity and shape of bottle, so can accommodate Burgundy, Bordeaux, Alsace, etc., and also some champagne marks such as Veuve Clicquot and Laurent Perrier. The Volnay 168 is very quiet running and has an energy rating of G. Our warranty covers 2 years full parts and labour, and we maintain a large stock of all models to ensure delivery to most parts of the UK within just 2 working days.